What shall we have for dinner, guys?
Noodles!
That's a good idea. Shall we order from Foodpanda or GrabFood?
Foodpanda! 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 Foodpanda!
How about we order the same from Foodpanda and also GrabFood? And let's see which one will deliver first.
Okay!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to SRS channel.
Today's video, I have my special guest with me, my little girl. She's going to be with me throughout this video. Let's welcome my little girl. Today we are going to order the same type of food and same type of drink from both GrabFood and also
Foodpanda.
if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Esther. Do consider subscribing and check out my social media. Without further ado,
Let's get started.
first thing is the user friendliness. Which app is easier to navigate and to order? But before that, do you like the pink or the green more? So we prefer the pink color, obviously, girls, pink color, and the logo of Panda is super cute. But both the platforms, is just my personal opinion. I feel both the platforms, they are very easy to navigate, idiot proof. We can place the order easily from either the GrabFood and also Foodpanda. So navigation wise, I feel that is okay for both, very good job. But I feel that, again, just my personal preference, I feel that GrabFood, the layout, I prefer the layout of GrabFood more than Foodpanda, girl. So GrabFood, I feel that the layout, it has very clean view. So you feel like it's very peaceful, very calm, and easier to see and spot the difference between this category like free delivery or 50% off. So I can see clearly the section and I can order peacefully, very calm, very clean view. Easily I can spot the difference and order. Whereas for Foodpanda, I feel that it's very busy there. The layout is a little bit busy, very packed, very crowded. Again, it's just my personal preference. Navigation wise, yes, no problem with both. It's just that I still feel that in terms of the view layout of Foodpanda, I feel that it's very crowded and very busy. So in that sense, I will prefer the layout view of GrabFood more than Foodpanda. Just my personal preference. And also one thing I find it very annoying. Do you know what's that there?
Nope.
Every time when I check out what to order, I ask my girl, my boy, everybody what to order, and I spend the effort to order. At the end of it, when I was about to check out and make the payment, there's always a pop-up, a message saying that the shop is closed. So that was my experience when I tried to order from Foodpanda there. So we have to again ask again, what do you want to order and all that. So I think, but I may be wrong, I think I did not experience this same issue when I was using GrabFood. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think so. If I'm not mistaken, GrabFood did not have this issue, but I may be wrong. But it's just that I always encountered this problem when I ordered from Foodpanda. So it's just very slight annoying there. But in terms of overall navigation, both I feel that I can order easily. It's just that the view wise, like I said just now, I would prefer a clean view from GrabFood more than Foodpanda. Yes? In terms of the variety, which platform has more varieties of food? Which one do you think?
Nope.
Both again. In terms of local delight, I would think that Foodpanda is winning. Again, my personal opinion, I feel that Foodpanda has more options or selections when it comes to local delight. Like if you crave for some local delight from the coffee shop, like a plate of char kway teow or laksa or tom yum or bee hoon soup, I feel that Foodpanda has a great selections. So in that sense, I feel that Foodpanda has a lot of varieties when it comes to local delight, and the cost of it is like perhaps less than 10 for one plate. So GrabFood has that option as well from the coffee shop, but I feel that Foodpanda has more varieties. Just again, my personal opinion, I feel that Foodpanda has more varieties when it comes to the options and selections from the coffee shop. Do you like the food from the coffee shop there?
No, it's It's stinky.
Why? We should try all types of food, dear. Is that okay?
Okay. Mommy, which one is cheaper?
Yeah, which one has better pricing, dear? Let's try to order the same food now and also the same drink. So let's order the first one is the yogurt drink. How about yogurt drink, dear?
Total is $16.50.
And this you're ordering from?
Food.
Yes, let's check Food Panda. The same drink again. Again, the same yogurt drink, okay?
Later.
It is $18.79.
So which one is cheaper?
GrabFood.
Yeah, but let's order from both. Maybe Food Panda will deliver us, right? Okay. Next one, let us order the noodle. What are you craving? Noodle, right?
Noodles.
So we are going to order the noodle.
A few moments later.
Now we got the drink. Let's order the noodle now. Your favorite noodle, is it here?
Yeah.
Let's order from Food Panda this noodle, this dried noodle from from GrabFood. Sorry. So let's order from GrabFood now. So this noodle, $11.90, and there's a delivery fees of $3. And because the amount of the food is lesser than $15, we need to pay a small order fee of $2, right?
Yep.
So total up, how much is that for that one plate of noodle?
$16.90.
And this is from?
Food.
Okay. Let's do the same order from Food Panda. One bowl of noodle, $11.90, plus the delivery fee is $4.99. So total up is?
$17.19.
So which one has better pricing? Which one is cheaper? Yes. So, but we do not know. Maybe Food Panda will deliver first, right? So let's order from both.
Okay.
So between the both, based on my experience again, the delivery fees from GrabFood usually is about $3. Unless you're ordering something below $15, then we need to pay a small order fee of $2. Otherwise, it's always $3 based on my experience. And for Food Panda, the delivery fees is slightly higher. There's also my experience, slightly higher, is usually about $5. But again, depends, right? If you want a variety of food like local delight, like I say, I always go to Food Panda for local delight. And when it comes to the delivery fees, of course, GrabFood wins. But again, both the platforms usually they will have promotions here. So like GrabFood this month is July, right? July month. Both the platforms they also have a discount. Like Food Panda will have a discount of $8 up to a maximum of 8 transactions, and GrabFood also has a discount of $12.50 and also up to a maximum transactions of 8 transactions. So we can use 8 times from both the platforms the same. So we have our order
Yes.
done. So let's count down and see who will deliver our food first. So let's guess. Who will deliver the drink first and the noodle first here?
GrabFood.
Maybe Food Panda.
You're gonna go for
Let's see. So who sent the yogurt drink first?
GrabFood.
So I think shortly about 2-3 minutes later, Food Panda then deliver the same yogurt drink from the same shop. This is our favorite, one of our favorite yogurt drinks.
And then the wrapper is white.
Yes, and then we are still waiting for our noodles. See who will send first, who will deliver our noodle first. Shall we be Food Panda or GrabFood?
Food Panda. Definitely Food Panda. Because this time it is Food Panda because just now it was
GrabFood. Okay, let's see.
Okay. Hello, I'm blind. I can't even see.
So guys, who delivered the food first now?
Food Panda.
Food Panda.
Food Panda.
Yes, so Food Panda actually delivered the noodle first to us.
Yes.
But after about 10 or 15 seconds later, then GrabFood also deliver the same type of noodle that we order. So it's almost the same time for the noodles. How about the packaging? Are they the same?
Yes. Yeah.
Same packaging?
Yes. This
Nothing
is Food
spilled?
Panda, and this is
It's from GrabFood. Packaging wise, both good, right?
Yep. Okay.
So both good packaging. Say thumbs up packaging. So now let's try both the food and the drink. Do they taste the same, boy? Let's try. This is from GrabFood team and Food Panda team. So grab from the GrabFood, tastes good. And then let's exchange and try. Do they taste the same? It should taste the same because it's from the same shop, but in terms of timing and how they put in the bag, let's see if that impacts the taste of the food. Taste the same? Okay, good job. Taste the same. So the drink tastes the same. The noodle.
Mixed up.
Yeah, mixed up.
Ooh,
The drink. Dear, you are from the Panda team. And boy, you're from the GrabFood team.
Yeah.
Okay, mixed it up.
Maybe.
And then
Okay. Delicious. It's still hot.
okay.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Let's exchange and taste.
Fork wise. Oh my god. Can you press on me? Oh my fork.
Do they taste the same?
Oh, that tastes the same. Yep.
Still warm?
Yeah. Warm, so delicious.
So food quality wise is the same.
Both are the same.
Enjoy your meal.
Cheers, guys. Oh my god.
Cheers, cheers boy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Have you guys been enjoying the food from GrabFood and also Food Panda? You
Yeah.
like the noodle? You
Yeah.
like the yogurt drink?
Yeah.
So we must really thank Food Panda and GrabFood and also a lot of other platforms out there who really have been sending us and every one of us good quality of food, especially during this challenging time right here.
Yeah.
Boy.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to
Click the subscribe button.
and give this video,
A thumbs up.
and we will see you guys soon in my
Next one.
bye guys.
Love you guys. Bye bye.